What's up, YouTube? As always, I'm trying to improve my videos, and so I just purchased this Pop Voice Lavalier microphone. I don't even know if I pronounced this right, but this is the PV510 Plus. Let's do the unboxing first. Now, hope you can see this. Let's unbox it. See what comes with it. So the mic comes in a nice little pouch. Within the pouch we have the mic. It looks pretty sturdy. Nice solid clip, super solid, with a nice Velcro strap holder, and it also comes with, so it comes in extra, it comes with an adapter from a 4-piece connector to a 3-piece connector that you need for your PC, and it comes with extra 2 foam pieces to reduce any wind noise when you're outside. Well, let me plug this into my phone and you let me know how it sounds. All right, this is me recording with the mic on now. It's connected to my phone. So I think it probably will sound a lot better. I'm gonna check the video after this. So you get a nice little bag, you get the mic, you get an adapter for your PC, 2 extra foams to reduce the wind noise, and a Velcro strap to clean it, put it all back nice together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see more videos like this, leave a comment below, and also going to leave a link to this mic down below too. This mic right now cost me about $11. So it's a cheap addition to make your videos sound better. And so if you're interested, it'd be in the link below. Have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.